The other time and situation that I want you to very seriously walk your properties, put boots on the ground, is when it's raining. Hey everybody, it's Tara Smiley with DeRosa Group and DeRosa Living. So, asset management tip of the day. We talk a lot about making sure that as owners, asset managers, you are walking your assets, right? Walk the property. Take a look at it from both a deferred maintenance perspective, take a look at it from an owner perspective, look at your liabilities, look at your strong points, your weaknesses. What can you do differently? What can you improve? Okay. We also talk a lot about look at it from a life safety perspective, right? So check out your lighting. First of all, is it dark? Do you have a dark corner? Okay, well, light it up like Gitmo. Do you have a heavy tree canopy? Well, maybe we limit up, right? Raise the canopy up so you can allow a little bit more sunlight. Do you have that 30-year-old, prickly thorn bush that's sitting in front of a building that acts as a fantastic deterrent, but also catches all the debris? Let's limit up a little bit too. The other time and situation that I want you to very seriously walk your properties, put boots on the ground, is when it's raining. So you have to forgive the hair being a mess because I've just spent the last 3 hours out in the rain, walking a particular asset. We had some concerns and some questions about how drainage was working, right? Well, the best time to do that and to check it and see it in motion is when it's pouring, which it definitely is today in Lexington. It's pouring rain. So that's the low point. The high point is that because it was raining, I was able to get out there, get to see how water's running across a building, across sidewalk, what gutters are working, what gutters aren't, what downspouts are working, what aren't. Where is the flow of water being directed appropriately? Is it hitting the storm drains that it needs to? Are they cleaned out? Right. And so I'm able to check a lot of the deferred maintenance items off. And I'm like, yep, team's doing a great job with X, Y, and Z. Here's 2 items that I would have them, get a vendor or have them themselves take a look at. Let's get this fixed. Here's, we are definitely seeing some water infiltrating, block in this particular area of a retaining wall. So let's address that before it becomes a larger problem. Okay. As much fun, I say that tongue in cheek, as it can be to stomp in puddles for 3 hours and walk in the mud and do that stuff and do that stuff and things, you really do gain a very strong sense of what's working, what's not. You want to be able to effectively pressure test your property so that you can learn to expect where your potential liabilities are, right? Again, see what's working and what's not. If you like tips and tricks like this, you like the hard, operational, just pure analytical and logical comments and suggestions and answers to your questions, please check us out on Facebook on our insiders page. It's free. It's great info, great community of people there to give good tips and tricks and answers to questions and give you an opportunity to ask your questions so that they can, tell you what they've done in their experience. And we can tell you too. If you are new to this whole adventure of owning multifamily, then definitely come find us because we've got a program for you. It's called Accelerator. You will get fantastic one-on-one time with the trinity of DeRosa, Justin, Matt, and Hervé. You'll get an opportunity to sit on office hours for all 3 of those guys, plus our marketing, plus our underwriting, plus me. And, we're there to support and help you along this journey. So 2 things to take away from this video: walk your property in the rain and enjoy the puddles. And check out the other programs that we have to offer you that you can really benefit from. Have a good one, guys.